Hi y'all, I came in here to get a spoonful of this peach cobbler dessert I made yesterday. Okay, all that I had was what y'all saw me with yesterday, because you know I got diabetes. I ain't supposed to have it, no way. And I was worrying about Walter eating up all the crust and the juice. Y'all see what's left? Y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Okay, looks like it took on the consistency of like a bread pudding. I haven't tasted, let me taste it. Let me see. And that crust is no longer crispy like it was. Okay, I'm going to take a spoonful. I can't show myself. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. It's even good cold, y'all. For real, for real. It's really, really, really good. I highly recommend it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, the Louisiana fruit cobbler mix. So I got a can of pears in there. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna eat that. I don't care. I'm gonna eat it. Let me get my spoon out the sink. Okay, I just want to come back and report. This man that ate the whole thing. And I'm right here worried about the crust and the juice. He ate the whole thing. Look at that. Look, look, look. Look at that. It was good. It was good. Gooder than good. I'm gone now. Bye.